Have you ever been puzzled by the behavior of your shell scripts? It can be really confusing, especially when you see different results from seemingly similar commands. Today, we're diving into a common question. Why is the $0 different between running a script with shesh and sourcing it? I totally get it. It's frustrating when you expect one outcome and get another. Many users have faced this issue, and it can feel like you're chasing your tail, trying to understand what's going on. Let's set the stage with a specific example. One user shared their experience with a simple shell script named test.sh. They noticed that when they ran it using test.sh, they got one result, but when they sourced it with source-test.h, the output was completely different. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's happening here? When you run a script with ash, it executes in a new shell, and the $0 refers to the script's name. However, when you source a script, it runs in the current shell, and the $0 refers to the current shell itself. This is why you're seeing different outputs. And stick around. I have a surprising twist at the end that will help you understand this phenomenon even better. To understand the difference in the value of 0 between running the script with shesh and source, the user should first recognize that shesh executes the script in a new shell. This means that the value of 0 refers to the name of the script itself. In contrast, when the user runs source-test.h, the script executes in the current shell. Therefore, the value of 0 reflects the name of the shell itself, which is typically bash or sh. Next, the user should consider the impact of renaming the script. When the user renamed test.h to a.sh and sourced it, the output changed because the script's name is now different, but the shell remains the same. Finally, the user mentioned that they could source a non-existent file and still receive output. This behavior suggests that there may be an alias or function defined in the user's shell environment that is being executed instead. Fun fact, did you know that the $sign in shell scripting is often referred to as a parameter expansion? It's a key part of how scripts interact with their environment. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that when you use the source command, it performs a path lookup for the script name. If the name doesn't include a slash, it checks your path variable first. This means that source-test.sh might run a different script than the one in your current directory, while test.sh and source./test.sh will always run the script from the current directory. Now, let's see a response from a different user. This user explains that when you run source-test.sh, no new shell is created, so the variable 0 refers to bash itself. However, when you execute test.sh, a new shell is created, and $, is set to the name of the script. Here's a pro tip. Always be aware of your shell environment. Different environments can lead to unexpected behavior, so knowing how to check your settings can save you a lot of confusion. And there you have it. Understanding the difference between running and sourcing scripts can really clarify a lot of confusion. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more insights, and remember to keep exploring the fascinating world of shell scripting.